Hi there, and welcome. In this session, we're going to explore the essentials of getting started with Microsoft Excel. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this is your starting point for understanding how Excel works. You'll get an overview of the key features that make Excel so powerful. We'll take a look at the Excel window layout, including tools like the ribbon, the formula bar, and the name box, so you can navigate with confidence. You'll also learn about worksheets, the grid where all your data is stored. We'll touch on how rows, columns, and cells work together, and how to identify them using cell references. In addition, you'll be introduced to some helpful tools like Live Preview, which lets you see formatting changes before applying them, and the Backstage view, where you can manage files and settings seamlessly. This introduction is designed to give you a strong foundation, setting you up to use Excel effectively. Let's get started and discover what Excel can do for you.